Okay, just got the 155's 2.5 V6 on the bench. I'm going to take the heads off this afternoon and strip down a bit further. Just thought I'd whack out a quick video, really easy to explain whilst the engine's on the bench. The timing procedure on this. This is the 12 valve, so the 24 valve obviously would have the two cam pulleys set up by the locks. I've got a video showing that, but the 12 valve, really simple. So the bottom crank pulley has got a indentation just there, if we can see it. It's highlighted in yellow. There we are. And you see that pyramidal structure there? That's the pointer. So we're going to mark that to there. Now if you was 180 out, the tops wouldn't line up. I'll show you the tops. So on the cams themselves, they will have a little cutout that lines up with this cam bracket, I suppose. And I'll put the torch up there to have a look, see if that's easy. So I'm just a little bit off. So what I'll do is turn it, bear with me because I'm doing this one-handed, and you can see the top. When I get it to there, you can tell me when to stop, I suppose. All right, so they both should be the same. I don't expect this to be out. Okay, I'm turning. That's about it. So that lined up. Let's jump on this one. And that lined up. So I'm just going to roll it back off on, we'll have a look at this back one. There we are. You see the cutout. And let's roll it back together. I think that's got to be it. So just to confirm, bottom crank pulley, mark to the pyramid, top cam, yep, marks running true, and back cam, oh there we are, marks running true. I'm going to expect the head gasket to be failure on this one. I have found a bit of creaminess. This one actually looks pretty good. Obviously 20 years old since anyone's done anything on this engine. This water pump's in bits. It's going to be fun tearing this down. I will keep you posted.